Do you have an issue with your safety not working in your M4 or MP5? In this video we'll go over the disassembly and addressing one possibility and get it fixed. So this is a brand new MP5 by Top. Literally pulled out of the box, brand new, hasn't been shot really, and as you can see, it's unsafe. Check this out. Hold on. Oh no! So we're gonna fix this. Alright, so we're gonna tear apart this MP5. First things first, gotta take out these two pins and get this lower receiver separated from the top receiver and go from there. That's interesting. Got a little connector right there. Gotta take that screw out to separate the switch. Good old top motor. There's two screws down there you gotta take out. And then the bottom receiver should come right off. So upon taking off the receiver, you got your selector plate, which here, your switch operates. When you move your selector switch to safe, it pushes this forward, which hits this guy right here. This goes inside your gearbox and puts a lever against the this trigger here, right up inside there, and that makes it to where you can't pull the trigger. But here's the thing I noticed. So I think the lever that attaches to this guy inside is busted. You see that little piece right there? I think that's part of the lever. And I shouldn't be able to do this. It should go back straight up and down, and that's it. So maybe what happened was this got pushed forward enough or broke the lever inside there. And that's, I believe, why this thing does not have safety. So I'm going to tear into it, open up the gearbox, and take a look inside and see what we can find. I'm going to set this off to the side since we don't need it right now. And top gearbox. Labeling and everything. A little bit of grease. Cylinder's turned a little bit. You know, while I'm at it, when I have this thing apart, I'm going to go ahead and check for compression and all that good stuff. Well, the screws are out. Now time to separate the gearbox. Well, there's the problem. Lever broke off. This lever is supposed to sit in there like that. And when you push, when the selector switch moves forward, it's supposed to go up and block that trigger. And that's what gives you that safety. So you can't move it. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and replace this mechanism. I got some spares luckily, and then we'll throw it back together and see if it works. We did it! We have a good safety switch now. Make sure to plug that in before you bolt down the receiver. Don't forget to plug that in. There's one way that a safety may not work in your airsoft gun, especially in these version 2s. You might get a guy that had it before you that pulled the trigger so hard he snapped the lever in there. That's kind of what it looked like in there. But yeah, there you go. We fixed it. So if you guys liked the video and learned something, smash that like button and hit that subscribe, and I'll see you next time.